everybody, I'm Mark. It is spring, and that means we're about to clean out everything we don't want and regret it the minute we have a craft project for it. Today on Make Your Mark, I am making some garden boxes using some broken chairs and some drawers from a broken dresser. Yup, trash to treasure. Now, since this project is going to be outside, I'm using DecoArt's Patio paint outdoor to give them a long life and some amazing color. Thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some garden boxes. Things like broken chairs make really great side tables if you just saw off the back and even out the legs. A little paint and some plywood and you can make a boho patio table in no time. The fun thing about these garden boxes is that they can give height and add more color to an existing garden or add some plant life on an outdoor deck or porch. I use these for my starter plants and when I'm propagating new plants. It's a nice place to keep things together for when I'm watering. You can either put the plants in saucers or drill holes at the bottom of your drawers through the bottom of the chair for drainage. I'm going to leave a link to DecoArt and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them, and I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.